Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotic buttermilk. First, gather your ingredients, fresh milk and a starter culture. The starter can be a small amount of store-bought buttermilk with live cultures, or a specific buttermilk culture packet. Ensure your milk is fresh and preferably whole or 2% for the best texture. This simple process transforms regular milk into a delicious, cultured dairy product. To begin, you'll need 1 quart of fresh milk, ideally whole or 2% for a richer result. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of a live buttermilk culture. This can be from a previous batch or a store-bought variety with active cultures. Make sure you have a clean glass jar, such as a 1-quart mason jar, and a breathable cover like a coffee filter secured with a rubber band. Cleanliness is key for successful fermentation. Pour your 1 quart of milk into the clean glass jar. Then, add the 2 tablespoons of live buttermilk culture. Stir the mixture gently with a clean spoon until the culture is fully incorporated. Cover the jar with your breathable lid and place it in a warm spot, ideally between 68 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it ferment for 12 to 24 hours, or until it thickens and has a pleasant tangy aroma. Once your buttermilk has reached the desired consistency and tang, remove the breathable cover and secure it with a regular lid. Store your fresh probiotic buttermilk in the refrigerator, where it will stay good for up to 2 weeks. Remember to save about 2 tablespoons of this batch to use as a starter for your next one. Enjoy your homemade buttermilk in recipes, smoothies, or simply as a refreshing, tangy drink.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.